Yum-Yum, a book about food chains by Mick and Brita Granstrom. Yum-Yum. One night, out of the soil, a tiny shoot pushes up its head. Who'd eat a tiny shoot? The shoot is the first part of a plant to grow above the surface. Lots of animals would, but Caterpillar gets there first. Yum-Yum. Caterpillar chews up tiny shoot and then crawls across the meadow. Who'd eat a caterpillar? Different caterpillars eat different sorts of plants. Lot of animals would, but crickets get there first. Yum-Yum. Cricket chomps caterpillar, then hops off through the grass. Who'd eat a cricket? Crickets call in the evening by rubbing their wings together. Lots of animals would, but spider get there first. Yum-Yum. Spider gobbles up cricket and then dangles by a thread. Who'd eat a spider? Some spider builds webs to trap their prey. Others hunt on foot. Lots of animals would, but lizard get there first. Yum-Yum. Lizard eats up spider, then sunbathe on a stone. Who'd eat a lizard? Lizards live all over the world. They eat insects and spiders. Lots of animals would, but little owl got there first. Yum-Yum. Owl swallows lizard, then goes to drink water from the lake. Who'd eat a little owl? Little owls often hunt in the daytime. They are very small, about the size of a can of cola. Lots of animals would, but pike get there first. Yum-Yum. Pike snaps up little owl, then leads it around on the sunny surface. Who'd eat a big pike? Pike will eat other fish, birds, and rats. Lots of animals would, but osprey get there first. Yum-Yum. Osprey munches pike, then dozes off on dead branch. Who'd eat an osprey? Ospreys and fish eagles dive into the water to catch their prey. A lot of animals would, but fox get there first. Yum-Yum. Fox gobbles down osprey, but he gets a bone stuck in his throat. Fox coughs and coughs and coughs, then fox dies. Who'd eat a fox? Foxes will catch food when they can, but they will also scavenge by roads and in dustbins. Lots of animals would, but blue-bottle flies and beetles get there first. Yum-Yum. Blue-bottles, flies, and beetles lay eggs. Maggots hatch and they eat fox all up, skin and all, until all that's left are foxy specks that sink into the soil. Who'd eat a foxy speck in the soil? Maggots clear up dead animals and rotten food by eating everything up. Lots of animals would, but tiny animals that live in the soil. Yum-Yum. Tiny animals nibble up foxy specks, making goodness in the soil. Who'd eat the goodness in the soil? These small animals are too tiny to see without a microscope. Lots of plants would, but tiny seeds get there first with a root. Yum-Yum. Tiny seeds eats the goodness. Then, one day, out of the soil, a tiny shoot pushes up its head. Who'd eat a tiny shoot? It's a race for seeds to grow the fastest and make use of goodness in the soil. Lots of animals would, but this time human being gets there first. The green shoot grows into a wheat. We make bread from the wheat. Yum-Yum. The end of the book. Yum-Yum, a book about food chains by Mick and Brita Granstrom.